Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So today I am here with a new recruitment notification from a private sector from the company called as Zalaris, as you can see on the screen. Okay, this is one of the famous company in European nations, especially in Poland. So the headquartered in Poland, I guess. Yeah, I'm not sure about the exact location, but when I read the description, it was mentioned that the office is mentioned as Poland. Okay, so this is a private sector job, so whoever is not interested can leave the video here itself. So before leaving, you can give a like button to the video. Okay, so let us start the video now. So this is a company called as Zalaris, and for the post of process trainee. So for this post, the recruitment has been called for, and the location is in Chennai. Okay, so there's a single location, but don't worry, there are other jobs in this company itself where the job location is pan India. Most probably you will get more locations, for example Bengaluru, Delhi, Pune, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. So these will be the prime locations where you can find more number of companies, as they are the industries hub. Okay, so the people from closer to the to these places will have a very good chance here. Okay, for this job it is in Chennai. So why I chose this job? Because here any graduate can apply. So that's why I'm explaining this job in this video. So you can also see the other jobs which I'll show in the coming time. Okay, so this is for the full-time job, and that it is not a contract job, it is for full-time. So this is the advertisement that has been published by the Zalaris. So at Zalaris, we simplify HR and payroll administration, empower our customers with useful information so that they can invest more in their people. Our consultants have 20 years of experience in transforming HR with our clients. We have 3 values that guide the work. So everyone matters, aiming high, team spirit. So this is just a description of the company, like what they will do. So mainly in HR and payroll administration. So this is a normal management service, so it doesn't require any technical skills. So it's not like it is a non-coding job. So if you are bad at any of these kind of technical skills also, you can apply. The only thing is you need to have very good communication here. So let us see like what are the requirements that has been posted by this company. So position summary: accountable for completion of standard and non-standard tasks within the scope of the function. So these are quite complicated words, but don't worry, everything will be provided in the training also. So your responsibilities: registration and control of travel and expenses refund for Zalaris customers, travel run for payment of control trips, customer service by phone and mail, receive and respond to customers questions, participate in further developing routine and travel process, ad hoc tasks and project performing any additional task linked to the primary scope of the position. So it is basically a management a job where you have to manage certain things, where the responsibility has been provided to you with respect to a certain work. Okay, and it has been explained here. So what are the skills required? So required to have a very good communication skills. So this is compulsory for any of the job. It can be private or government. So usually they ask less in government, but in private compulsory English should be present. Ability to plan work and make priorities, willingness to learn and contribute to a positive working atmosphere, customer focused with ability to deliver high quality services, business minded and alert to customer needs, proactive in improving process and procedures, flexible in relation to tasks. So these are the skills, normal skills that are need to be present in almost all the candidate. It's like coordination, controlling, management, everything has to be mixed, but the primary skill is communication. So education experience: bachelor's, university degree or any other relevant education, and no previous experience. So this is a very good opportunity, guys. So you need to just have a degree and without any experience. So many of the students were asking me with respect to private sector jobs, like whether they can apply for it or not. Yes, here in my previous video which I had released with respect to Cognizant, there only BSc students, BSc, MSc, all the graduates except engineers were eligible there. But here bachelor's, university degree, that is any degree students can apply. It can be BSc, BCA, MCA, MSc, BE, BTech, any degree students can apply here. Okay, so and no experience is required. That is the major positive thing here, because most of the companies which pay high salary will require at least 1 to 3 years of experience. I have seen so many of them, but here it has not having any condition with respect to experience. And we offer you, so they are also offering you health insurance, lunch compensation, team building events, remote work and flexible time, modern and cozy office premises, coffee, tea, fruits, etc. So the management of this Zalaris is very good to look into the aspects of the people, or the employees. So you can see in most of the companies, the employee relationship with the management will not be so good. For example, I can give one of my example. My friend was working in a private company. There they will pay good, but the relationship or the type of work offered to the employee will be very very bad. And also the relationship between both of them is also not good because of hectic work pressure, etc. But here they have mentioned that very good respect and the care will be taken to the employees with good health insurance, lunch compensation, team building events, remote work and flex time, and modern and cozy office premises. Okay. So I guess this is a very good company. And what the about the salary they haven't mentioned. So according to the present trend and the information that I have, the normal mass companies which provide the salary will also be provided by this initially. So it will be around 30,000. It can be plus or minus 2 to 3,000. So it varies depending upon your skills, your circumstances, and how you prepare for the interview and how you attend the interview. So if you attract them, they will be ready to pay more. Since this is a multinational company and also a foreign company, they can pay you more if you are apt and have very good skills for this job. Okay. So after seeing looking all these things, if we click on the apply now, I'll click on, you can apply with both, start apply with LinkedIn and apply now. And it is also better to create a LinkedIn account also, because it is you can connect with many of the companies. So you can also have one more job opportunity through LinkedIn also. So if we click on apply now, it's loading. It's taking more amount of time. See, the new interface is opened, and see, resume is very very important. And as I said yesterday, I will do a video on how to create a resume. Don't worry. Till then, if you have it, you can apply, can upload that itself, or else I will make a video. Till then, you can wait for it, because it is very important to have a resume for any private sector job. So the first impression is the best impression for anything. So the first thing that the employee will see is your resume. So if your resume is good, then you can have a very good chance. And cover letter, this is very simple. I'll explain you this also. And you need to give your personal details like email, your name, city, and you need to tell you why you are interested in this position. So you need to use some fancy English words so that to attract the employee, and country of residence and notification, and then you have to continue applying for this job. Okay. So these were the complete details, guys, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. So if you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.